Welcome to Lesson 5 of Tarot for Beginners. If you're using the downloadable workbook, we're on pages 11 and 12. Feel free to pause here and grab it from the description. By the end of Lesson 5, you'll know how to interpret your cards using intuition, symbolism, and card position, and how to read simple spreads with confidence. Now that your cards are drawn, how do you interpret them? Don't worry, it's not about memorizing every meaning right away. Tarot reading is a mix of intuition and understanding the card's symbolism. Begin by simply looking at the card. What stands out to you? Are there symbols, colors, or figures that catch your attention? How do they make you feel? Each card tells a story, and your first impressions often carry valuable insights. Next, consider the card's traditional meanings. While the imagery speaks to your intuition, traditional interpretations provide a helpful framework. For example, the Fool often signifies new beginnings, but depending on the reading, it might also be urging you to take a leap of faith. Card positions within a spread provide important context. Let's look at 3 simple 3-card spreads that you can try as a beginner. In the past, present, future spread, the first card shows past influences, the second reveals your present situation, and the third offers a glimpse into the future. The mind, body, spirit spread focuses on overall well-being, where the first card represents your mindset, the second your physical state, and the third your spiritual connection. Finally, the Situation Challenge Advice spread is great for problem solving, with the first card outlining the situation, the second showing the challenge, and the third offering guidance on how to move forward. If you're ready for a more detailed reading, the Celtic Cross spread is a great option. It offers a comprehensive view of your situation, exploring both internal and external influences. You'll find different versions of the Celtic Cross spread, as tarot readers often tailor it to their style. This is my personal preferred version, which I've found gives the clearest insights. Here's a quick breakdown of the positions. The present highlights the theme of the reading, while the cross reveals challenges or opportunities. The past reflects influences still affecting the present. Above represents dreams or concerns, while below shows the foundation or heart of the matter. The future indicates possible upcoming influences. The self reflects your current feelings, and the environment shows external factors impacting you. Hopes and fears reveal inner desires or anxieties, and the outcome offers a potential resolution. Once you've laid out your cards, notice how they interact. Are there repeating symbols or themes? Do some cards offer solutions to challenges presented by others? These connections help tell a bigger story. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to interpret tarot. It's a journey of discovery. Trust your intuition, and the meanings will come naturally with practice. In the next section, we'll cover some tips to help you build confidence as a beginner reader.